Prepare for takeoff. The world of FPV drones is about to be violently shaken. For adrenaline junkies, cinematic creators, and tech enthusiasts, the name Avata has become synonymous with immersive, protected flight. But now, the rumors have reached a fever pitch, and the whispers from deep within the DJI supply chain point to something truly revolutionary. The DJI Avata 3 is not just an incremental update. It's an entirely new beast, poised to redefine what a cinewhoop-style FPV drone can truly achieve. Hold on to your goggles, because if even half of what's being leaked comes true, the Avata 3 will make its predecessors look like toys. Let's cut straight to the most anticipated upgrade, the camera system. The original Avata pushed boundaries, but its sensor size was a limiting factor. Reliable sources indicate the Avata 3 will feature a significantly larger 1/1.3 inch or even a 1-inch sensor, directly challenging the image quality of much larger, traditional drones. Imagine true low-light performance, dramatically improved dynamic range, and cleaner, more detailed footage even in challenging conditions. This isn't just about recording. It's about capturing breathtaking cinematic moments that were previously impossible with a drone of this size. Paired with a wider, sharper lens and potentially an improved f-stop, the Avata 3 is set to deliver stunning visuals. And what about video resolution and frame rates? While the Avata 2 brought 4K 60p, the Avata 3 is rumored to elevate this to 5.4K or even 6K 30p, offering incredible flexibility for cropping and downsampling to pristine 4K. But the real game changer? 4K 120p or even 2.7K 240p in a compact FPV drone. This will unlock utterly spectacular slow-motion capabilities, allowing you to capture every single nuance of your high-speed maneuvers with unparalleled fluidity. This is the holy grail for FPV pilots seeking that cinematic edge. Add to this advanced 10-bit D-Log M color profiles and rock-solid Rocksteady 3.0 or 4.0 stabilization, and you have a portable cinema machine. But a great camera needs a great connection. 04 transmission system is almost a certainty for the Avata 3, offering vastly improved range, even lower latency, and more robust signal penetration, especially in complex urban environments. This means fewer signal drops, more confident flights, and a more immersive FPV experience. Imagine flying further, through more obstacles, with a crystal-clear feed direct to your goggles. That's the 04 promise. Now, let's talk about the flight experience. The Avata series is known for its agility, but the Avata 3 is rumored to take this to a new level. Leaks point to a lighter, yet more durable frame, potentially utilizing advanced carbon fiber composites. This reduction in weight, combined with more powerful, more efficient motors and redesigned propellers, will result in increased flight time, a critical improvement that every pilot craves. We're expecting a significant jump, potentially pushing beyond 30 minutes of actual flight time under optimal conditions, allowing for longer, more ambitious sequences. Safety is paramount, especially for a drone designed for dynamic FPV. While the original Avata featured downward obstacle sensing,